Hi again, part two of our surface area and volume talk. So, at the website here, where I was describing in part one, it's the nctm.org site that has the cubes all labeled for you, which is in the description of the video. You can go to the wheel cog here. You can enter whatever the width is, whatever the depth. It's also the same thing as saying base or length times width. For the base when you start peeling away the larger layers of the big cube. So once you have that down and then you have the height the way you want it, you can enter that there in the site and it'll show you what the net looks like. This is what you need to draw. So when we were talking about the drawing part, this is what goes in the drawing. Color coding works really well because that way you can count how many cubes are in the green and that blue and purple and orange, gray and white. And you can see that box come together. When you lay it out flat, this is called a net. It's basically taking that box and flattening it out. Okay? And then, of course, you can change that by going back, adjusting your numbers. You can add layers of cubes that fit inside, which is exactly what volume is, just showing you how many cubes can fit inside or whatever. It might not be a cube. It could be, I don't know. We've been talking about baseballs and boxes and such, but then it'll all come apart once you click on things. It's kind of a cool website to be able to see this. So I just wanted to add this. You can clear it. You can do individual rows and it'll build it up that way. You can do individual cubes. This takes a while, but it's fun to do all the clicking. All right. So I just wanted to show this to you so you had a really good idea as to how all this works. So that surface area can be shown on each layer. So like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This area covers 30 cubes or 30 inches squared. And you can prove it by counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Okay. This area covers 2 by 5 for a total of 10 inches squared. And look at that. It's covering up the 10. That's how surface area works. All right. Thank you.